Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Top English Podcast. This is Moon, and in today's episode, we're going to learn how to talk about your job in English. Now, this is super important because one of the first questions people usually ask when they meet you is, "So, what do you do?" And if you can answer that naturally and confidently, trust me, you'll sound fluent and professional. To make it clear, I'll give you a full example using the job of a banker. So if you're working in a bank, or even if you're not, you can follow the same structure and just change the details to match your own job. Okay, when you talk about your job in English, you can follow a simple structure. Say your job title. Explain where you work. Describe your daily responsibilities. Talk about what you like or don't like about your job. Maybe share your future goals. Sounds good, right? Let's put this into a full example. So, what do you do? I'm a banker. I work at ABC Bank, and I've been working there for about 3 years now. My main role is to help customers with their financial needs, things like deposits, withdrawals, opening new accounts, and guiding them about different banking services. I also handle cash at the counter, so accuracy and attention to detail are super important in my job. A normal day for me starts with checking my counter, making sure everything is balanced, and then meeting customers one by one. Some days are really busy, like when people come to pay bills or take out cash before festivals. It can be stressful. But I enjoy talking to different people and solving their problems. What I really like about being a banker is that I get to interact with so many people every single day. It's not just about money, it's about trust. Customers come to me with questions, and when I can help them, I feel proud. On the other hand, one challenge is that I need to be extremely careful all the time. Even a small mistake with numbers can cause big problems. In the future, I'd like to move into the loan department because I'm interested in learning more about how banks support businesses and individuals with credit. I think it would give me a deeper understanding of finance and help me grow in my career. Now, let me give you some useful phrases that you can copy when you talk about your own job. I work as a. Example, I work as a teller in a bank. My main responsibility is. Example, my main responsibility is handling customer transactions. On a typical day, Example, on a typical day, I answer customer queries and process deposits. What I enjoy most about my job is. Example, what I enjoy most about my job is meeting new people every day. In the future, I would like to. Example, in the future, I would like to work in the loan department. See? With just these simple patterns, you can talk about your job naturally and confidently. So that's it, guys. Today we learned how to talk about your job in English, and we went through a full example of a banker. Remember, you don't need to make it too complicated. Just say what you do, where you work, what your responsibilities are, what you like, and maybe your future goals. Try making your own version today, whether you're a student, a teacher, an engineer, or anything else. All right, this is Moon from Top English Podcast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful English learning tips. And next time someone asks you, "What do you do?" you'll know exactly how to answer. See you in the next episode.